do you have any idea what is exponent?
Something numbers written more than once. You write once and
Mm-hmm.
then twice
Mm-hmm.
and something like that.
Okay. Now, let me show you. Now, powers and exponents. What does they mean actually? They are a simple way to think of exponents and powers as repeated multiplication. For example, you can see here you are multiplying x 4 times. So that is x raised to power 4. Okay. Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, you can see over here, we are multiplying x 4 times. Suppose instead of x, I take 3. Okay, just a sec. Yeah. Let me take 3 and I multiply 3 times. So this
Right.
will be your 3 raised to power 3. Because
Right.
how many times I multiplied? 3 times. So this 3 is
Okay.
known as its power.
Okay. So which
Yeah.
is the power here? You have three. So which three is the power? And can you get back to the previous one,
Yeah,
please?
sure. Yes. Just a sec. Look dear, suppose instead of 3, let me take 5.
Okay.
Now if I take 5 3 times, I get 5 raised to power 3 like this.
Okay.
And here I am multiplying 5 3 times.
Okay.
So that's why 3 is written on the top and this is known as power.
Okay.
Okay, let me mark it. This is your power, or we
Okay.
call it exponent.
Okay. So number on the top will be called the power, the exponent.
That's
Okay,
right.
I get it.
Okay, and this is known as base.
Okay. Okay.
So 5 is
Okay.
base over here and 3 is known as its power or
Okay.
exponent also. Did you
Okay.
get that?
Yeah, I got it. 5 is on the bottom, so it is base, and 3 is on the top, so it is power. Okay, I
Yeah.
got it. Thank you.
Okay, suppose I write down 4 raised to power 2. Now you let me know which is the base and which is the power.
I think 2 is the power and 4 is the base.
That's very good. Absolutely correct. So 2 is the power. We also call it exponent and 4 is
Okay.
known as its base. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. I'll show you something more. Look here again. Just read this.
Whenever we have variables which contain exponents and have equal bases, we can do certain mathematical operations on them. Those operations are called the laws of exponents.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have
So
laws also for them.
yeah, we have certain laws also and we will be learning them after getting a clear concept of base and exponent.
Okay, I
So
got it.
again,
I understand that.
okay, that's very good. So now let's learn some rules. First you tell me 10 raised to power 3 means what? Did you get this thing?
Yeah, we will be multiplying 10 three times.
Right. 10 raised to power 3 means we will be multiplying 10 3 times. So that means we get 1000 as our answer. And this is known as our standard form, 1000. That is the answer part. Yes, do you get this?
Yes, I got it.
And this is known as factor form. Like if we write 10 into 10 into 10, that is our factor form. And when we write down 10 raised to power 3, that is our exponential form.
Okay.
So that means we have three ways of writing. One is exponential form, second is factor form, and number 3 is standard form.
Okay.
So same thing we can write in three forms. Any doubts?
Not so far.
Okay. So look, the same thing, 3 raised to power 2 means 3 into 3. That gives us 9. Okay. Just tell me if I want to solve negative 4 raised to power 2. What will be your answer? Just write
Um,
down.
Okay. All right. I am unable to write. How to write?
Okay, you can see over here on the top there is a pencil shaped tab. Just click on that and then you will be able to write it down. Okay, I'll mark it. Look here. Just click
Okay.
on that.
So
Yes,
it
that's
will
very
be
nice.
negative 4 into 4. So it will be negative 16.
Okay, now look, we are to do negative 4 two times. So that means negative 4 into negative 4 again, because negative 4 two times.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Oh, all
yeah,
right. I got it. So it will be
yeah,
negative 4 times negative 4, and
right.
negative into negative will be positive, and
Very
4
good.
into 4, so it will be positive 16. Am I
That's
right?
right. Very nice, very
Oh,
nice. So this is
I
negative
get it.
4 into negative 4. That gives you, as you said, positive 60. Very
Okay.
good. That's very nice. Okay. Absolutely correct. So in the same way, you can see this. Negative 3 square. That is
Mhm.
negative 3 into negative 3. That gives you positive 9. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, very nice. Now look, this is one of the very important rule for the exponents. Please read this for me.
Any number except 0 raised to the 0 power is equal to 1.
Yeah. So that means,
Okay.
yeah, if we have any number, but the power is 0, so then the answer will be 1 only. Look, for example, 5 raised to power 0. The
Mhm.
answer will be 1. Any
Oh,
number raised to power 0. Any number.
okay. Okay.
Okay, if I say 8 raised to power 0, what will be your answer?
1.
That's right. Very good. So that's what I am saying. Any number raised to power 0 will give you 1. This
Okay,
is
but
very
the power
important
is
rule.
0, so the answer should be 0, not 1.
Yeah, actually I can
Why
show
the
you.
answer is 0?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead.
The answer should be 0. Why it's 1?
Okay, I'll just show you. Look, when I write down 2 upon 2, what is your answer?
1.
That's right, we get 1. So,
Okay.
that we get with the help of exponents rule also. Like 2 raised to power 1 upon 2 raised to power 1. When we have same base and they are dividing, we just subtract the exponents.
Okay.
Okay, this you will also learn in our next slides when we will do laws of exponents.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So one of the law of exponents says when you divide with the same base,
Mm-hmm.
the powers get subtracted. Okay,
Okay.
like what is the power over here? Mm-hmm.
Power is
1,
1.
yeah, yeah, and same thing in the denominator also. The power
Okay.
is,
Okay.
yeah. So we have the rule that when we
Okay.
divide with same base, the powers get subtracted.
Okay.
And when we will do that, you will come to know why a number raised to power 0 gives us 1.
Okay.
Okay. This we
Okay.
will do when we learn about more laws of exponents.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, do you have any doubts?
No, not so far. I would like to learn more.
Okay. Okay, so in our next session, we will learn more about laws of exponents. Will that be fine?
Um, okay.
Yeah.
Can we do few questions on this one?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay. So first of all, you tell me, if I give you 11 raised to power 2, what will be your answer? Just write down. Mm-hmm. Yes, very good. 11 into 11. Very nice. That's absolutely correct. And do you know which is this form?
I don't remember, but you were telling one is exponent and one is factor or something. I
Yes,
don't remember
very good.
exactly.
So this is power written. That means exponent written. So this form is our exponent form. And the answer you gave me is in factor form. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And what we get when we multiply 11 with 11?
I'll have to multiply it.
Yeah, just see it. We get, okay, let me tell you, we get 121.
Okay.
That is known as standard form.
Okay.
Okay, let's do one more. I
Okay.
give you, let's say, 2 raised to power 4. Try
Mm-hmm.
this.
Um, I need to write 2 fourth times.
That's very right.
2. I
Hmm.
can't write with my mouth.
Yeah, never mind. You're writing it for the first time. That's why. But I can understand. Very nice. Okay.
Times and one more.
Right.
Is that right?
Very good. That's absolutely correct. Good job.
Okay. All
And
right.
what we get when we multiply it 4 times?
Mm-mm. 2 times 2, 4.
Yeah. 4 times
4,
2.
4 times 2, 8, and
Very
8
good.
times 2. Is it 16?
That's right. Very nice. Absolutely correct answer. Good job. Okay, write down 16. That will be our standard form.
Okay, I get it now. So
Very good.
I understand the
Okay.
basic concept of exponents now. Thanks a
Yeah.
lot.
Okay. It was
Okay,
nice talking to you, Kimberly. Yeah?
it really helped me.
Okay, that's very nice of you. So, we will learn rules of exponents in our next class. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
thanks
then
a lot.
bye. Have
Bye.
a good day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.